Hey, good morning from, you know where, Southern Nevada. Hey, today we're just going to have a fun video. We're going to shoot a couple of black powder revolvers. This one here is made by Pietta. It's a copy of the 1860 Colt 44 Army revolver. Look at that beauty. This has a 8-inch barrel, by the way. And I also have a copy of the 1858 Remington 44 caliber. This has a 5.5-inch barrel. This is the sheriff's model. Look at this, huh? Pretty cool. So let's go back into my shop. We'll take a close look at both of these, and then we'll get back out here and put some rounds through them. All right, let's try the 1858. Whoa! Yeah! Whew!
All right, let's put some rounds through the 1860. Oh.
Misfire, huh?
Yeah.
It figures. It happens.
There we go.
One more. There you go. There you go. What do you think, son?
It's fun. A lot of work to load it, but it's fun. Boom!
Okay. Oh, well.
All right, I got one round left. Let's see what happens. All right.
All right. You got it, son.
Of course I got it.
Ah! Son of a... Well, that'll teach me,
That was cool.
Let's see that gun smoke. All right. Whoa. Got it pretty good, son.
Yep.
You got it, son.
I got it.
Okay, guys, there you go. We had fun shooting these today. Now we're gonna go home and clean them, and well, you know what? My wife is going to be mad at me, but won't be the first time. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.